Conquering the Costco cart, for seniors, is all about smart maneuvering and staying comfortable, even when faced with bulk buys. First, let's talk about the grip. Find a comfortable, relaxed hold on the handle. Don't white-knuckle it. A soft, firm grip allows for better control and reduces strain on your wrists and arms. Next, posture is key. Stand up straight, with your shoulders relaxed. This might feel a bit awkward at first, but it distributes your weight evenly and makes pushing the cart much easier. Avoid hunching over. When you're moving, focus on using your legs and core to push, not just your arms. Think of it as a gentle, forward momentum. Keep your eyes scanning ahead, not down at the cart itself, to anticipate turns and obstacles. Navigating inclines. Use that same leg-powered momentum when going up. Lean slightly into the cart and use a steady, controlled push when going down. Make sure your hands remain on the handle, and gently use your legs to slow your descent if needed. Turning is a two-handed affair. Use one hand to guide and the other to control the direction. Gentle, sweeping turns are more effective than sharp, jerky movements. Think about the arc of your turn before you start. When loading up, consider the weight distribution. Place heavier items in the lower part of the cart, closer to the wheels. This lowers the center of gravity and makes the cart more stable and easier to steer. Don't overload the upper basket with all the heavy stuff. Finally, when you're done, always park your cart in the designated return corrals. This keeps pathways clear and prevents tripping hazards for others. And remember, take breaks when you need them.